So, this is what my life's been looking like lately.
Wanna grow?
Kinda draining, not gonna lie. Hi. This is a great angle. Is that better? Nope. Anyway, hi, hello. We need to talk. So, I was going through the comments of my past few videos, and a lot of the comments, they were kind of along the same lines. Oh my god, like, look at Riya out here living her best life while I'm stuck in my room, like, studying or joining in work or whatever. And I just want to say, same. Literally same. I basically only vlog when I have like some fun memories or something going on, but on an everyday basis, especially when I have like review week or exams or anything stressful happening, like
I'm just like such a mess, you guys.
I totally get it. I feel like from 17 to 21, there's just so much pressure on you to like figure out your life and like get shit done and like, you know, start like adulting. But then I woke up this morning and I was just like sitting in bed and I had an epiphany, a realization, a moment of truth, if you will. No one's forcing me to do my assignments or like stay in bed or do well in exams, get internships. Like, no one is forcing me to do all this. I'm choosing to do it. I'm sick of complaining and being miserable about it, and I sort of just like realized it's not the work that I don't like, it's just all the all the stress and pressure that comes with it that's really been getting to me. I need to look at it through a different perspective. So for this video, I am gonna just have a little self-care week. Just because you have work doesn't mean you need to like give up on taking care of yourself. You can still feel good and do good work. So I wanted to make this video as a little reminder to not forget to take care of yourself and your mind. It's just as important as reaching your goals. In my first attempt to do things that are better for me, I wanted to treat my hair. It's been through so much damage lately. So I went online and looked up some homemade hair mask recipes and gave myself a little spa at home.
Okay.
I look like an elf. Cleaning the mess I was living in took forever, but I felt so much more at peace once it was done and I could move on to my long, warm shower. I've already talked about most of the stuff I use in the shower. I have a whole other video about it, but my newest addition to my routine, super excited to talk about that to y'all. Exfoliating and moisturizing is a super important part of my routine, and recently I've been using this body scrub and body butter. They're both from this brand called Caffeine, which is basically a coffee-based like skincare self-care brand, and all their products have like caffeine in it, which by the way I googled, and caffeine is actually really good for your skin. It's apparently like a superfood for your skin, hair, nails, which makes me feel a lot better about having a coffee every morning. But yeah, just having it in my scrub is so much better. I wish I could make you smell this through the camera. Wow, like this is what I want every morning to smell like. So good. So you guys know I've struggled with my skin in the past. It's a little bit sensitive, a little bit difficult to deal with, but scrubs are something that I've been using for years. I feel like using a scrub is super important. It gets all the dead skin out, especially if you're sensitive to soap like I am. Using something like a scrub is super good because it gets all the dead skin out. It leaves like a nice smooth layer of skin for the moisturizer to go on. It's also super good for exfoliating if you like shave and stuff. Scrubs are something that I definitely have been using in my routine for a while, but this one specifically I am so in love with, not just because it smells like heaven and it just like gets me so happy because it's coffee, but the real reason I actually love this one so much is because I've definitely used a few scrubs that are super harsh on your skin and they just actually hurt, like, but this one works so well because it's gentle. They use a lot of natural ingredients that are actually good for your skin, and I know for a fact even if you have sensitive skin, this isn't going to be a problem because it's cruelty free, it's dermatologically approved, and it's free of parabens and SLS, so you know for sure it's safe to use. So it comes in like a little box like this. The packaging is super sleek, goes with the whole vibe of the brand. It comes with like a little wooden spoon, so even if you have like long nails like me and you don't want to get it all in your nail, you can just scoop some with the spoon, get some on your fingers. That's what I like to do, and then I just like spread it over, so I'm making sure it like gets everywhere. Honestly, like a little bit goes a long way with this. Also, I forgot to mention, but it works best when you use it on wet or damp skin. And then once I'm out of the shower and I have like a smooth surface to work with, the next step, super important, moisturizing. This is something I have never been able to skip because my skin is just so freaking dry. I am very picky about the moisturizers I use, but I totally am obsessed with this body butter. It's not like any other moisturizer because first of all, I know it's not gonna irritate my skin. A little goes a long way. Like I've already used this so many times and it's like still right at the top. But the consistency, okay, can I just show you guys? I don't know, I really like it because it's different from like other moisturizers. It's way thicker, but when you put it on, it won't feel heavy at all. And I hate when you can like feel your moisturizer on your skin. Like the whole day you just feel like you're sweating moisturizer, which is so terrible, especially if you're like in Mumbai and you're out in the sun. You get up for 2 minutes and if you're wearing moisturizer, it's just it doesn't feel good. But this one is thick, so it's like actually moisturizing, but at the same time it like seeps into your skin. Like I just put it on and I can't feel it, and I'm sitting like right in front of the sun. So the first thing that got me about this was the smell, but what kept me was really the consistency and how it feels on your skin. It just leaves it looking so much more glowier and healthier. My skin gets dry so easily, but with this I've really noticed a difference. I've personally been using both of these products for a while. They generally did help my skin, and it just makes me feel and look so much better. I don't like using a lot of products on my body, so when I'm having like a self-care pamper day, or if I'm like getting ready to go out for an event or something, all I need for my body are honestly both of these things. I definitely recommend checking them out if you haven't. I'll have them linked down below. Using these products really did make my skin feel so good, and after a long shower I felt so much more relaxed and ready to get some work done. After I finished blow drying my hair, I've literally just been in this chair, tied up in a braid because I like when it opens up in like loose waves. I've just been finishing up some work. I think I'm almost done, which is wow because it's only 7:30. Alright, so I just painted this hand. It actually turned out pretty good. Like usually I'm pretty messy. I'm just catching up with a few of the Paris Fashion Week shows. Actually kind of want to do like a Fashion Week review video. I don't know, I feel like something like this would be fun, just like a Fashion Week overview.
The next day.
So, I actually did my makeup for school today. Hold on. What? I haven't worn makeup to class in years. Even though this isn't much, like it's just concealer and blush. But just like little things, they make you feel better. Yeah, I'm still literally wearing a sweatshirt because it's still class. Like I don't want to waste a good outfit, TBH. Yeah, it kind of annoys me because you wear like a cute outfit and then you just like go sit in class and come home. I'm just wearing a sweatshirt. I'm gonna put on leggings, don't worry, like I have a dress code too. I love the color. It still makes me feel super cute and it's still really comfy, so I can be comfortable and actually focus on my work. Yeah, it just goes to say, like I don't actually need to dress up to glow up. I just need to like feel good. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat some breakfast. If I don't eat like at least a little bit, I just end up eating trash during my breaks with my friends, which is fine sometimes, but like doing it every day just makes me feel bloated and gross. So I've decided I'm just gonna eat a little bit from home. I'm gonna eat and then go off to school. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty much it for the video. I don't know if I look any better physically, but I do feel a lot better on the inside and I feel good about my work. And just like in general, every day has been like a little bit better. So I'd say this video is a success. If it inspired you in any way, if it helped you, if you found it entertaining, give it a thumbs up so I know. I'm still gonna come in the sun because I don't know, it makes me look kind of sweaty, not gonna lie. My hand hurts. Okay, yeah, that does subscribe if you like me and want to see more of me. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. That's why your hair is so big. It's full of BS, dirt, gunk. Remember that 1 week where it was like a little bit cold? I missed that. And I said all of them in this sentence, but literally, oh my god. Lost my... This was a very weird angle, like... I'm just gonna wear some earrings so at least I look a little bit more presentable.